Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The market value is the figure that represents a realistic amount your property would sell for on the market at the time the valuation is taken. The rebuild value, or reinstatement cost, is the cost of rebuilding your home if it was completely destroyed from the ground up.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Accounting for reinstatement cost, interest expense is incurred and the liability increases over the course of the lease period. FRS 116 requires that reinstatement cost be accounted for as part of right-of-use assets and depreciated accordingly.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why is my reinstatement cost higher? Reinstating your home means rebuilding it to its original condition. In doing so, all efforts will be made to ensure that the same construction methods and materials are used as before. This is why your reinstatement cost could well be higher than the market value of your home.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The rebuild cost is the amount it would cost to completely rebuild your home if it was destroyed beyond repair. It includes the price of labor and materials. This cost is usually lower than your home's sale price or market value.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When to insure a home for more than it's worth, many homeowners can opt for an extended replacement cost, which pays more than the market value if their homes need to be rebuilt. This type of extended policy is best for people whose homes have unique features or are constructed of non-standard materials.
Let's help you make your mark.
A rebuild cost is a valuation on how much it would cost to completely rebuild your home from the foundations up, including labor and materials. The rebuild cost is usually less than the market value or sale price, as it doesn't include the value of the land underneath, but that isn't always the case.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.